Hi, I'm Josh Turner with Gateway CFO Solutions. We help business owners get a better handle on the financial side of their business without incurring the cost of bringing on an expensive full-time CFO. Today, I want to talk to you about getting a handle on your short-term cash position. And what I mean by that is allowing you to have transparency into the numbers, minimizing confusing conversations with your bookkeeper or whoever it is that's in charge of payables and receivables, and getting this information on a timely manner. So many businesses that I work with are constantly in a situation where the business owner is always stressed out about what bills are out there, what payables do we need to pay, what receivables are coming in this week, which ones are coming in next, payrolls due this week, are we going to meet it? Well, if you put a simple cash dashboard in place, your bookkeeper can proactively plan for the week and provide you with a scorecard or dashboard, if you will, of all the cash inflows and outflows expected for the week so that you as a business owner have a snapshot of exactly what's going to happen and you don't have to worry about it again until next week. Or in the case that there are issues, you know exactly what needs to be done. All the cloudiness is minimized. You can just get right to business, take care of the issue, and move on, dealing with the things that are going to be impactful, such as operations, sales, and the like. So let's get right into it and take a look at what this cash dashboard would really look like. So again, the main purpose of the cash dashboard is to improve communication between the bookkeeper or whoever's responsible for paying the bills and keeping track of AR, payables, line of credit, those matters, and the business owner who's really too busy working on operations, sales, and running the business to have to worry about the stresses of day-to-day cash flow. Where are we going to be at the end of the week? Are we going to meet payroll? All of those things. When you put something like this in place, it really minimizes all the need for constant communication and confusion around these issues. So to go through this really quickly, very basic report, doesn't take much to put this in place, and you can have your bookkeeper run this once a week. Friday afternoon or Monday is usually a great time to have this report come out. And then you have a quick snapshot of everything that's going to happen for the week, and it puts your bookkeeper in a really proactive planning position. So what you have here is you have your initial cash balance, right? And then a line of credit balance that you want to show. You'll show your accounts receivable for the week. So you can see here, we're expecting $100,000 to come in for the week. And then here's the aging, right? So 0 to 30 days out, you have 400,000, 31 to 60, 400, so on and so forth. So again, this just gives you a current snapshot of where all your receivables are at. Other expected cash, let's say you've got a loan now that's money coming in, or maybe an infusion of cash from an investor or owner is expected this week. So that's where you would put that kind of money. Then you have your total weekend cash, which is nothing more than what you expect to come in this week versus where you started the week at with cash in the bank. The next section down here is just a simple snapshot of the outflows for the week. You've got your accounts payable aging, right? Same as the AR essentially, but with payables. You got your total accounts payable. And then your bookkeeper will want to go through and forecast what bills and payables are going to be due this week, right? So they'll have to go through the report, figure out what's going to be paid, what's due, what we can pay, what we can't pay, and put that in there. Then you've got things such as payroll, other benefits, weekly operating obligations that maybe aren't part of your payables, right? So in this case, we've put down $25,000. And it's also helpful to say, when is payroll due? Because that just kind of provides a little clarity around it. Then you've got other outflows. If for some reason there's other things that aren't part of payables that need to be paid for the week, you can put that there. And then it all sums up automatically into the total outflows, right? Which is just the bills to pay this week, payroll and benefits due this week, and other outflows. So you take the total weekend cash, subtract from that the outflows, and you'll have the net cash at the end of the week. So in this case, you can see we're expecting $100,000 to come in receivables, which is right up here, $100,000 in receivables. We're expecting to pay out $100,000 in payables, payroll, etc. Thus, the net cash at the end of the week, $300,000. So again, very simple report that'll kind of help provide some clarity, minimize confusion around weekly cash flows within your business.